Hey YouTube, Blade Brothers here, making another unboxing video. Rather excited about this one. I've had this knife on order a few months ago actually, but it was back ordered. So it finally arrived and I'm very excited to make an unboxing video out of this. And here, let's get started. So as you, some of my followers would already know, I'm a big fan of Sig Sauer in terms of their firearms. And so they also make some pretty nice knives in conglomeration with Hogue knives. So this is the one I had on order for a while now. Finally arrived. Let's do an unboxing. Okay. Okay, it comes in a little pouch. Little silica packet. And Hogue knives sticker and a warranty card, care and maintenance and whatnot. Okay, let's get to the important part, shall we? Oh yeah, here we go. Let me zoom in here. This is beautiful. Okay. So this is the Sig Sauer Elishewitz flipper. It's a design from Elishewitz. It's a flipper. No, I guess I didn't push it hard enough. Let me see if I can zoom out and do that better. There we go. Locked in place. Very nice. So this is part of their, I guess, ASE series. So ASE standing for the Alloy Stainless Elite series of the Sig Sauer pistols. So there's actually P220, P226, and 229. Part of the ASE series, and it resembles this basically. So this knife is supposed to match with those firearms. It's stainless steel type alloy. So in this case, it's it's a knife, so it's actual steel here, but then with the reinforced walnut grips. So this is a walnut finish with a little Sig medallion right there. This feels good in the hand. You can move the clips. So the pocket clip is positioned right here right now for a sort of blade up type carry, but you can also switch it over to this side, which I will likely do. There's a locking mechanism for the blade, so the liner lock is locked in place and won't close. Undo the lock and it will close. Very nice. Might have to oil the bearings here a little bit. There. So it's got some stippling here. Got some decent heft to the blade. Let me zoom in a little bit. See if you can see that. There we go. So it's a tumbled stonewash finish blade, 154 cm steel. So good blade retention, great hardness with the edge. It's a spear point design, which I don't have a lot of knives with this type of design. Feels real good in the hand. Oh yeah, this is really nice. And some of you who've already seen my prior videos know I have a thing for wooden handle type of pocket knives. So this is definitely something I really like. And then there's actually, is this alloy or is this plastic? This is I think like a plastic. Or is this? No, let me take a quick look here. No, this is alloy. So, interesting. There's a little slot for a lanyard if you choose to attach a lanyard to here. Some additional stippling right here, so it helps with your pinky grip. Has a nice sharpening choil area right there, so should be relatively easy to sharpen. Very nice. Yeah, I really like it. Gonna probably put this into my rotation for daily carry. It's comparable to the Benchmade I made, the Benchmade video I made, so it's comparable to that Benchmade North Fork knife. But yeah, it's quite nice. All right, thank you for tuning in. Definitely like this video and subscribe to our channel if you have a chance. We have definitely more videos to come, or send us some comments in terms of how we can improve, or if there's any type of video you would like to see. Thank you so much. Blade Brothers signing out. Take care.